How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Sicky TV. Today, I'm going to be talking about a problem that I am having with the Motorola Edge 2021's display. Now, it do not seem to have that problem on the Motorola One Ace. Two, again, both LCD panels, but this one's a newer panel. And when I'm watching videos, especially on YouTube, at anything higher than 1080p, this display looks absolutely just, it does not look right. The colors look blown out and just very oversaturated. And I'm going to play a clip for you on both of these devices. This one's set at the same. They're both set at saturated in the display settings, so nothing serious there. This one is set on saturated. This one is set on saturated as well at 144 hertz. Now I did try this on regular 60 and then the 120, and it still did the same thing. And it's weird because it does it only on YouTube, and when you're playing anything HDR related and anything over 1080p, this display just looks really bad. But if you go to 1080p 60, everything goes back to normal, and there is sort of a flickering over here on this display, but not on the Ace over here. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about here, and let's get started. We'll put the video on. Alright, so let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. I'm gonna set both of these displays to play at 1440 on YouTube 60, and that's the Motorola Ace up top, and set the Motorola Edge to do the same thing. And on every other device I've had, it doesn't matter whether or not you have a 1080p display or a higher resolution display, it's going to play it on YouTube regardless, and it'll look good. All my devices are 1080p, and I've done so many display comparisons with them, and they all look freaking amazing. But for some reason, on the Motorola Edge, I'm going to show you exactly how it looks. So let's get started. And then you're going to see exactly how the colors are. As you can see, the colors are already blown out over here on the Edge. Everything has this red tint to it. And you have sort of a little flickering over here on the Edge as well. And as you can see, the difference is the reds over here, it just looks, this red tint just looks really bad. Good example right here as well. And the colors just look so saturated. As you can see right here, look at the difference. Night and day. And I don't know why it's doing that. It's like everything is so blown out on the Edge. Hopefully it could be fixed in a future update, and this will be taken care of. But I've noticed only it on YouTube. Whenever I watch a video that I recorded on here, it seems to do it. It seems to play it fine. It does still have that flickering on the display for some reason, like it's sort of brightness flickers on here, but it's mainly YouTube when you try to play anything over 1080p. You can see a little flickering over here, and everything just looks really blown out. And brightness isn't all the way up, it's at like 90%, so. As you can see right here, the tones, the red, it just looks really bad. So we're going to play this again, start it over, and then I'm going to go down to 1080p over here on the Motorola Edge. And just to show you guys what I'm talking about, boom, it's already a huge difference right here. Colors look accurate and look a lot better. So anything over 1080p on the Motorola Edge just do not look right. So I don't know if this is a display problem, if it's my unit. So if anybody else has this phone yet and you're having the same issue, I would love to hear your comments on it, and if there's any way of fixing it. And hopefully Motorola fixes this in a future update. Maybe it's software related. Hopefully it's not my device, and hopefully it's not just to my device, because I really don't want to have to turn this back in and get another one. But hopefully, like I said, it gets fixed in a software update. But as you can see right here, it's a lot better in 1080p, but anything over just looks like absolute crap. So I just want to share that with you guys, my issue that I'm having with the Motorola Edge 2021. And comment down below if you're having the same issue, if you have this device and you're having the same issue, or if your phone does the same thing. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.